Now we have got an SSL certified website, we have set its preferred domain, and then we have corrected our page load speed. Then what's next? It's fourth one and the most important one. This is customer satisfaction. If you can't satisfy your customer with this website or this web page, you are going to fail in SEO, because this is the most important metrics of Google to judge your website's performance on its own. It's easy to tweak a keyword, but it is harder to stop a user from clicking the back button of your website when your web page is loading. And if you can make a customer a long click visit on your website, then it will get the better ranking. Now let's think about how Google identify your website is user friendly or not. An unhappy customer will not stay more than 2 seconds in your website. They will click the back button and then will find another website in the search result listed. Google could see how satisfied users were. The best sign of their happiness was the long click. That means when someone went to a search result, ideally the top one, and did not return, and they are just surfing through the page and they are making engagements, they are making interactions, and they are making contact form filling and all, then that means Google had fulfilled your query. But unhappy users were unhappy in their own ways. Most telling were short clicks, where a user followed a link and immediately returned to try again. This is often called Pogosticking. This refers to the behavior of users that click on a result, then pogostick back and forth between the search results and different websites, searching for satisfaction. Google hates pogostick. You can even save yourself from the bounce rate, but not from pogosticking. Consider if 75% of people are visiting your website and clicking back and then find the another search results. That means your website will not rank first forever. Even if it is ranked well, it will reduce the ranking of your website based on this. So make sure each and everything in your website is user friendly and you are targeting the customer satisfaction. In this era, do not code for search engines, but build your website for a user.